The winds this afternoon are going to make it feel much worse. A wind advisory goes into effect at 11 a.m. this morning and will persist until 8 o'clock tonight. Wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour are not out of the question as high pressure tries to build in behind a very strong low pressure. So as far as what's going on temperature-wise and forecast-wise statewide, going to be not such a great day in the mountains as that they're going to be remaining in the teens today with a chance of 1 to 2 inches of snow out there. Here, we're going to see the temperature dropping as the afternoon progresses, a mixture of clouds and sun and blustery conditions as far as the wind goes. Same deal down on the lower eastern shore. They may even see a little more cloud cover. Tonight, frigid conditions down into the teens in the outlying areas and around the airport. Lower 20s, it looks like downtown, and that trend is really going to hold true as we head into the next few days. Jet stream taking a dive, cold air really settling in for the middle and last half of the week. This morning, though, it's all about the movement of this front across the area. High pressure going to build in behind it, and with a northwest flow, we're going to see very gusty winds throughout today. Cold air keeps its grip in firm place, it looks like, at least through Thursday, and then Friday we start to rebound a little bit. But in the meantime, it looks like only 36 on Wednesday, at 29 as a high on Thursday. But the good news is the snow will stay to our south, and there's just a slight chance that even our southern counties will get it. Friday, though, it looks nice. Sunny, 40. Saturday, a little better, 43, and mostly sunny to partly cloudy. And then Sunday, variably cloudy and 48. Monday, check it out. We surge into the 50s, mid-50s. It'll feel mild in contrast to what we've seen so far this winter. So a great Valentine's Day on Monday.